Today I will show you how to install the VLC player in your PC. First of all, you have to download the setup file of VLC player. You can download setup file from any of the internet sites like File Hippo and get into PC also. So here I have already a setup file for VLC player. Then I will install it in my PC. It's looking like this. So are you seeing that it's installing with the unpacking data, and here you have to select a language, English, and you have to continue this setup. Just next, and my installation process is continue, and it will installed in some time. So hello friends, my VLC player setup is installed, and run VLC player and check this box and start the VLC player. By this VLC player you can play any of the media files like MP4, 3GP, WEPG and MPEG file also. You can play any 3D videos in your VLC player. I have some videos. You can play this with the VLC player. You have to play this song with the open with VLC player. If you want to play this song in 3D also, you have to select this icon, effects and filter. After effects and filter, you want to go into synchronization. Sorry, video effects and disclaimer and analyze 3D. Here is the 3D effect in your VLC player. You can watch this 3D song with your 3D glasses. If you want to change the setting with the 3D player, 3D videos, I select by uncheck this icon. And if you want to change the timing of sound, you can change it from this icon, from this system. Okay, thanks for watching.